Firework is a software that's been gaining traction lately, but is it the right choice for you? Whether you're in e-commerce, digital marketing, or content creation, there's a lot to consider before jumping in. So let's dive into 7 things you need to know before buying Firework, especially if you're comparing it to similar software. By the end of this, you'll have a clear idea of whether it's the right fit for your needs. First off, Firework provides a unique combination of live streaming, shoppable videos, and real-time interaction that puts it ahead of some competitors like Shopify's live selling or other e-commerce focused video platforms. But what really sets it apart is how it integrates those features into a seamless experience for both businesses and consumers. Unlike other platforms where you might have to use third-party apps for basic integrations, Firework brings everything under one roof. And if you're already working with video-heavy campaigns, this could be a game changer. Next thing you need to know is the user interface. While other tools might come with clunky dashboards, Firework keeps things clean and easy to navigate. You're not going to be buried in a sea of options and confusing layouts. That means you can quickly get up to speed with how things work, which is perfect if you're a small business owner or marketer who's short on time. The learning curve is relatively smooth compared to other tools on the market. The third thing is pricing. Many platforms offering similar services charge hefty monthly fees, especially when you start adding more features or scaling your business. Firework's pricing structure is competitive and it offers more flexibility than most, meaning you don't have to worry about unexpected costs as you grow. For smaller brands and startups, this could be a big advantage as it allows you to stay within budget while accessing top-tier tools. The fourth thing to consider is Firework's robust analytics and reporting. Most competitors will offer basic tracking, but Firework goes deeper by providing actionable insights into user behavior and sales conversion. With built-in A/B testing and engagement metrics, you can refine your strategy with precision. This level of data is especially helpful for brands looking to optimize their video marketing campaigns and improve ROI over time. Next, let's talk about customer support. One thing that really stands out about Firework is their customer service. If you've ever tried to navigate another platform only to get stuck in an endless loop of automated help messages, you'll appreciate how Firework offers hands-on, personalized assistance. Their team is readily available and they're genuinely knowledgeable, which helps you resolve any issues faster without the frustration of long wait times. The sixth thing you should know is its scalability. Firework isn't just for small businesses, it can easily scale as your brand grows. If you're a larger enterprise, you'll appreciate how it accommodates high volumes of traffic without slowing down. Firework's architecture ensures that as you expand, the platform expands with you, offering high performance even as your content and customer base increase. Lastly, and this is something many new users overlook, Firework offers a free trial. This gives you the chance to test it out before committing to a subscription. You can experience everything firsthand without spending a dime. If you're unsure whether it's the right fit, take advantage of the trial and see if it meets your needs. It's a risk-free way to explore the platform and get a sense of how it can elevate your business. So, there you have it. 7 things you need to know before buying Firework. If you want to try out Firework for yourself, click the first link in the description below. Not only will you get access to an exclusive free trial, but you'll also unlock some special benefits to help you get started right away. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your video marketing strategy to the next level.